host. Welcome back to the Quick Money channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to affiliate market for beginners. If you're looking to earn passive income and dive into the world of affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a total beginner or have some knowledge in the field, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to get started. So let's jump right in. Before we delve into the strategies, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, simply put, it's a performance-based marketing model where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their unique affiliate links. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate and the company. Transition. Now that we have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing, let's move on to the key steps to get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. Step 1 is choosing a niche. A niche is a specific segment of a market that you'll be focusing on. It's important to select a niche that aligns with your interests, knowledge, and target audience. This will make it easier for you to create valuable content and establish yourself as an authority in that niche. So take some time to brainstorm and choose a niche that excites you. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time for Step 2. Researching affiliate programs. There are numerous affiliate networks and individual companies that offer affiliate programs. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commission rates. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Remember to read the terms and conditions of each program to ensure they meet your requirements. Step 3. Build your audience. Moving on to Step 3. Building your audience. Your success as an affiliate marketer largely depends on the size and engagement of your audience. Start by creating a platform where you can connect with your target audience, such as a blog, YouTube channel, or social media profiles. Provide valuable content related to your niche and engage with your audience regularly. Building trust and establishing yourself as an authority will help drive conversions. Step 4. Create quality content. Step 4 is all about creating quality content. Content is king in the affiliate marketing world. Produce informative and engaging content that adds value to your audience's lives. It can be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, or even videos like this one. Remember to incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content, ensuring they are relevant and helpful to your audience. Step 5. Promote your content. Now that you have valuable content, it's time to promote it. Share your content across different platforms, leverage social media channels, and engage with online communities related to your niche. Guest posting on other relevant blogs or collaborating with influencers can also help increase your reach. The more exposure your content gets, the higher the chances of driving traffic to your affiliate links. Step 6. Track performance and optimize. Last but not least, Step 6 involves tracking your performance and optimizing your strategy. Use analytics tools to monitor the performance of your affiliate links and identify what's working and what's not. Adjust your approach accordingly, experiment with different promotional techniques, and optimize your content to maximize conversions. Remember, affiliate marketing is an ongoing learning process, so don't be afraid to adapt and evolve. Conclusion. And there you have it, our beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, focus on providing value to your audience, and be patient. If you implement the steps we discussed today, you'll be well on your way to earning passive income through affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Quick Money channel for more tips on making money and building wealth. And as always, leave your questions and thoughts in the comments section below. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing!